Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my June month's favorite, and there are a lot of products, not a lot actually, there are quite a products. Okay, so we'll start with the very first one, which is like my ultimate favorite, and I'm just crazy about it now. And this is this brush. I got it from Amazon and it is not branded. I just picked up from like some unbranded, some stuff I picked up from Amazon, and I've actually done one of the haul video for the all the unbranded stuff which I bought from Amazon. And if you guys haven't watched that video, I'll link it somewhere here on the screen or probably down, I'm not sure where, but I'll link it down below, so you guys have to check it out and see what all I got, which was totally unbranded. So this is the brush and it is so freaking awesome. I cannot even explain how amazing this is. The bristles are like so dense, and you just put it in your blush pot and it just picks up the color so well. You don't even have to apply it like this. You just start dabbing it on your cheeks and the color is there on your cheeks. So even if you have a blusher which is not very pigmented, or which is more towards the sheer tone, you can definitely take advantage of this brush and make that sheer blusher work for you. I'm in love with this brush, and it was somewhere about 400, yeah, or maybe 300. I don't remember the price, but I'll link down the video link so you guys can check out each and every price details also there. Also, I have put down the links also in that video from where I picked it up, so if you guys are interested, you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out, provided it's not out of stock, because this is freaking amazing. And the day I got this brush, since that day I have stopped using my Real Technique blush brush, but I was like a huge fan of Real Technique blush brush. But since the day I got my hands on this one, there's no look back, to be honest. Real Technique brush is doing nothing in front of this brush. It's that amazing. It is a dupe of some high-end brush, I'm not sure which one, but forget about the dupe. The quality of the bristles and all is really amazing. I have already washed it for like twice and it has not shedded at all, though I was like really furious when I just got this brush. I was like, maybe it's looking so freaking amazing right now, but when I just wash it out, it may just die. But no, that didn't happen. It survived, and it has survived in such a nice way that it still feels like the very first time I touched this brush. It's so amazing. Yeah, if you can get your hands on these brush, just do it. I highly recommend this one. It's so amazing. The next brush is again from the same unbranded haul, and this is like this kind of toothbrush brush which I got. I got it for like 300 or 500 something for 5 brushes, but this brush is like the biggest out of the whole collection, and it just does every single thing. I don't need any other brush when I have this. It just applies, it just blends my foundation in such a nice way. I don't need my fingers or the brush or the beauty blender when I have this. It sets my concealer in a very perfect way. It just does amazing baking, because since this part is really broad, so when you put it into your powder and you just apply it somewhere here, it just sorts out everything. You don't need any other brush when you have this. And it's again very smooth, and the way it just mixes up everything together, blends out everything together, it gives a very air finish, airbrush kind of finish to your makeup. I really like this one. I have been using either this or my beauty blender, but I have not touched my any other makeup brush since I got my hands on this one. It is such a multi-purpose brush, and if you are somebody who are looking for some makeup brushes now, I would definitely say that don't go for the regular brushes, go for these brushes. They are like really multi-purpose. There are a lot many brands which have come across with these kind of toothbrush brush, but I did not plan to buy such kind of unbranded stuff, to be honest. But when I was just going through the Amazon and I happened to look at these products, I was like, why not just give it a shot? And plus they were not expensive also, so it just helped me to decide that okay, I would probably go for these kind of brushes, and I don't regret at all. The quality is amazing. I have washed every single brush till now, and none of them has disappointed me after their bath. They are so freaking amazing. I really like it. So these were the makeup tools which I had. Now I have one product which is not makeup but something for your day-to-day routine use, and this is this Nivea deo. It's called Fresh Natural. It's a roll-on deodorant. This is the first time actually that I'm using a roll-on deodorant. I used to use only the perfumes or the spray deos, but my skin is not very comfortable with the spray ones because I just get some allergy, and when I want to use it on my clothes, it just leave a white stain which does not look pleasant at all. So I just got my hands on this one from the supermarket. I was just doing some grocery shopping and I saw this one, and it smells damn amazing. It smells a little bit of musk and something like really natural and fresh, very fresh actually. It's really nice for the summertime usage, and it stays on my body for quite a good long time. So I have been using it now on a daily basis, and it's so amazing. And it cost about, let me tell you, it cost for 175. I think they have other fragrances also in this one, but I just saw this and I was like, okay, let me just try this, what the roll-on deos are, what's the fuss about it. But they are like, it's so refreshing. It's so refreshing. I really like it, and this is something I have been using in the last month like anything, because I just got my hands on this one, and since that day I've been using this one. I'm quite liking it. Yeah, so now let's move on to some of the makeup products that I have to show you guys. And the first one is this beauty. This is by Makeup Revolution. It's called the Shimmer Brick, and it is in rose gold shade. And look at this product. It's really good. It has some 5 colors. All the colors are like really warm bronzy colors, so it goes really well with our kind of skin tone, like our people, us like Indians. It's a very flaunting color for Indians, and the pigmentation is to die for. Let me just swirl everything together and show you a swatch of it. It's hell pigmented, and it is such a multi-purpose product. You can use it on your eyelids as a eyeshadow. You can use it this white part as a highlighter. It's really pigmented, so you have to be really careful when you are just putting your brush on top of it. So you have to be really careful because it's just so pigmented. And also you can use it as a bronzer, so it just sorts out everything, and it is a very nice travel friendly product when you are going for some wedding, because you definitely need glitter to go with your Indian outfits, and it just sorts out everything. And it was for about 400 or something. Actually it cost about 600, but when I bought it there was a sale going on, so I bought it from Jabong. Also I showed it in my last haul, so I'll link down that video as well for you, so in case you are wondering from where to buy it and all, you can get your hands on this one. And it comes in 2 shades. Another one is a lighter version of this. Since I was not sure like what kind of product it will be, so I just got my hands on this one, but it's amazing. Amazing, really nice. You should try it out. Yeah, now the next product is this, and this is by Rimmel. It's the eyeshadow crayons by them. This is the first time I'm using some eyeshadow crayon. I'm either into just the liner kind of person, or I just get my hands on the eyeshadow palette, but this is the first time I used it and I fell in love with this. The consistency and the way it gets blend out, it's so amazing. You just apply it on both of your eyes. Take your time to decide which brush you want to blend out everything, and it will be there. It is so creamy. You can blend out using your finger or your brush, anything, and it gives such a nice sheen to your eyelids. And also this is like the kind of color which goes really perfect with your smoky eyes or something, and you can use it to line your low water lines, or just apply it entirely on your eyelids. I have done one. I have not shot that video actually, but I did one of the eye makeup using this crayon, and it turned out really good. Let me know guys if you want me to do any kind of makeup look using these scandalized crayons. Let me know, I'll do it. Just put it in the comment section. Yeah, so that is like this, and this was for rupees 400, but again I bought it online. There was some sale going on Nykaa that time, so I got it for like little lesser price. So that was one of the product. Now I have this thing, which is something is like quite a surprise for me. I love Essence products, there's no doubt in that, and I wanted a mascara for myself, but I did not want something which is like waterproof, because I wanted something which I can use on a daily basis. So I just thought, let me give it a shot. So this is called 2-in-1 volume mascara, and it has 2 wands. Okay, so the first wand is like this. It's really thin and it helps to apply mascara on your lower bottom eyelashes, and also it just helps to separate out your lashes in a very nice way. I really like this one. And there's another one which is like really dense, and it just gives such a nice volume to your eyelashes, irrespective of it is like in spite of it's not a waterproof one, but stays on my eyelashes for the whole day actually. And getting rid of from this mascara is not like a task, since it's not waterproof. I really like this one, and this was for rupees 349. Yes, can you believe it? And it is so freaking good guys. It's really good. To be honest, Essence products are very underrated, but they are like really good, and the price that they come with, it's like unbelievable. Everything is under 500 I guess, unless and they are available on Amazon or Flipkart. You guys can check it out. I'll link down the product details and everything in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Let's move on to the next one, and this is like my recent purchase. It's the LA Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I heard really good things about this concealer, but I didn't get a chance to get my hands on this since it was not available in India. I don't know why all the brands are not there in India, but I think they should come to India now, because we have such a great community, such a huge community which is into the makeup products and all, and everybody wants, since we want all the products, we generally buy from the websites which are like which ship to India, but the waiting period is so long, and the wait is like killing you. It's such a the killing part is like waiting for your order. So if all the cosmetic brands, if you are hearing me or to watching this video, please come to India. We really need all the brands here. Yeah, so this is recently launched on Nykaa, and I got my hands on this one, and this concealer comes in so many shades. This is the shade is called Nude. I was not sure actually which shade will be like what color, because you cannot actually make it out when you are doing some shopping online. So I just went by the color name. So since it says Nude, I thought maybe it will be, it will not be something that will just disappoint me. So I got my hands on this one, and it turned out little red. But to be honest, I'm happy about it, because I wanted something to conceal my under eye circle areas, and some concealer which has a little orange hint to it is the best to conceal your under eye circle area. So in a way it's really good, and it comes with this kind of brush applicator, so it makes it really easy for you to apply your concealer. So that it's like really good. And today I also have used this one. I'm not sure if it's too visible on the camera or not, but let me show you a swatch of it. And wait a second, I'm getting a call. So this is a swatch of it. I hope you guys can see it. It has a little orange tone to it, which is like really good to conceal your under eye circle areas. And this was for about 500 or something I guess, but it's exclusively available on Nykaa. So you want to get your hands on LA products, you can definitely check out Nykaa. And it's really nice the way you can blend it out using your finger. It's really amazing, and I'm quite happy with this one. And it comes in one of the color which I have been looking for. It's called chestnut or hazelnut, which is really dark, but it's amazing for the contouring. Lot many makeup artists use it to contour your the face, and but this was out of stock, so I'll just keep my eyes on the chestnut or the hazelnut. I don't remember the exact shade name. so it's perfect for the contouring, for such a natural look. It's really good. So this was one of the product which I got recently, and I have been using it non-stop. Yeah. Now let's move on to the products that I had in my stash, but I didn't know I can use it for that purpose also. And these are these two tiny tubes. These are the cream blushers by Second Love. I have done a complete review video on these ones. I got about 6 of these. They stay on your cheeks for like very good time, and if you are somebody who has from the normal to the dry skin, you should definitely try these ones. I didn't know about this brand, but when I was doing some online shopping, I happened to see these products and I was like, I need it. And they are so amazing. They don't have glitter at all. They have a beautiful sheen to it. And let me show you a swatch of these one. And by the way, I've started using these as a highlighter, and they does an amazing job. I didn't know I can use these products as a highlighter. I was using it as a cream blusher only, or maybe you can use it for, you know, as an eyeshadow. You want a little, you know, hint of the color on your eyelids, you can definitely use these one for that. But I thought as a highlighter they are super duper amazing. So the two colors which I want to tell you is like one of the Catalina, and another is one called Bashful. And Catalina is more towards the champagne side. Let me show you. So this is the product. I have applied it on my cheeks today. I don't know if the camera is picking up it or not, but it is such a beautiful color and it blends out really nice, you know, and it can beat any kind of, you know, high-end highlighter. I'm telling you, you have to try it on, and they are so affordable. I don't remember the price now, but I linked down that video you know, link also, so you guys can definitely check it out. So this was Catalina, and the Bashful is towards more on a little bronzy or the orangey golden kind of, you know, hint. And let me show you a swatch of that also. So this very first color is the Bashful, and they are such an amazing highlighter product, and it looks like this. It comes, you know, like this. This is the product, and they are super easy to apply since it's in a stick form, so anybody can apply it, and I really like it. So this was like recent discovery from my stash itself, and I have been loving it. As you can see, the sheen is super duper amazing. I really like these products, and I don't think I need any other highlighter if I have these ones. So guys, these were the products which I have been using a lot in the month of June, and I literally enjoyed using these ones. These are the products which made me like really happy, and it made me feel like that I had invested my money in actually to the right place. I don't regret buying any of these products, and I think these are the products which are like the staple product for me. I'll keep repurchasing these ones because I'm in love with these products. No wonder if I repeat any of these products in my next month, you know, favorite video also, because I don't think I'll be, you know, stop using these products at all. So guys, that was all for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to mention your favorite products from the month of June. Put it in the comment section, and I would love to read your favorite products in the month of June. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. And I shall see you in my next video very soon. Till then, you guys take care and bye bye.